Now, Spencer Ante from the Wall Street Journal joins us now to talk about the robots coming to Amazon. Amazon has acquired Kiva Systems. They make shipping robots. Tell us a little bit about the deal and what Amazon's looking to get out of this.
So robots are basically taking over our lives all over the place, and this is the latest example.
Pretty soon there will be robots sitting here doing our
they're already on
jobs.
robotic cameras,
That's
and
right,
there
we
might
have
be robotic hosts sooner than we think. I hope not.
Sorry, camera guy. No,
So,
you're going to be
sorry,
out of work.
camera guy. Yeah, sorry, host guy.
Yeah.
So the story is,
Yeah, Spencer.
Amazon has been.
He's already a cyborg. Did
Yeah,
you
I
know
know,
that?
right?
He
Robots
really is
can
a
think
cyborg.
now.
He's
like,
filing
they can
stories
answer
as
questions.
he's doing this.
Like Watson beats the humans in Jeopardy. It's just a matter of time, really. So basically, Amazon, which has been a leader in developing, lots of different kinds of technology, and especially automation technology in their fulfillment centers. They have dozens of fulfillment centers that deliver products for Amazon itself and for third parties that use them for shipping and fulfillment. So they're really deep into this business. And they've acquired this company, which is kind of a crazy idea. They've developed these mobile robots that use sensors and wireless networking technology to basically deliver and move products to the shippers, who then, you see, there's a picture of the robot.
Was Amazon using these guys already?
I don't think they were. They're actually, this company is used by many other different retailers, like Staples and Best Buy and some other companies like that. So, and they're growing very fast, 100% a year revenue growth. So, and they were named one of the most innovative companies in the country last year by I think Fast Company magazine. So they're definitely out there. They have a reputation. It's a proven concept. They claim it allows the company to deliver 2 to 4 times as many orders per hour than previous methods. And so they're going to take this, they're going to bring it in-house. And I don't know, one question is like, will they let other companies continue to use it? I don't know.
It's a really good question.
Yeah.
We actually saw around the holidays, I think Dana Mattioli from the Wall Street Journal had a great story about how more and more retailers were looking to do this, but that was, of course, to me, a surge in demand during the holidays. It's just a matter of time before everybody's doing this. Fewer jobs in the economy. What are your thoughts about it?
It's one thing that's sort of interesting about the story is how success often is born out of failure. The guy who founded this company was an executive at Webvan, and I know Peter remembers Webvan. Webvan was one of the classic .com flameouts, which raised many hundreds of millions of dollars to deliver groceries to people across the country. And when he was working there, he basically said, we realized that we could not move this product out the door quickly enough to make a profit. So that idea stuck in his head, and he came back to it later and raised money for this company.
It's a really interesting issue to bring up, right? Because you could say you can make iPads very cheaply, as we know, by outsourcing that work to China. You can't reduce the costs. You can't outsource your delivery work, right? Someone's got to be delivering stuff to you in America. You have to pay them a certain amount of money. The only way to make that cheaper is to literally replace them with robots. And last year there were stories about Amazon and how difficult it was to work in the warehouses, although we also had stories saying there's a lot of retirees that really like working in the warehouses. But this is work, if you want to make it cheaper and more efficient, at some point you need to bring in the robots, just like automakers, steelworkers.
And there's still humans in the fulfillment
Well, very
centers.
quickly, how difficult, and we have less than a minute, how difficult is it to assess the benefit of having robots versus human laborers? I mean, it seems to me like...
Well, Amazon, I'm sure they did due diligence on this. I'm sure they tested it out. The company has all these claims. There's lots of customers out there to do reference checks on. I'm sure there's something real here. And then the question becomes, what's the next phase in the robot evolution in these centers? I mean, maybe they will get to a point one day when they don't need people at all to actually pack and ship.
Or here either. Unfortunately, I have to wrap you guys. Thank you so much for joining us today, Spencer.